Welcome back to Pilates. Today is a Wall Pilates abs and arms workout. I'll be using a set of dumbbells for the arm exercises. We'll be doing the warm-up workout and stretching at the end. So let's get right into it. Let's start by lying down. Place your feet on the wall, hip distance apart. Let's start with arm scissors. Bring your arms up overhead. Right arm comes back, left arm comes down by our hips. Come back to center and then drop the other way. Right arm comes down by the hips, left arm reaching overhead. Keep going. So we'll do the warm-up exercises for 20 seconds. And then we're gonna work on endurance today. So we're gonna work for 45 seconds for the workout instead of our normal 40 seconds. A little more time under tension. Let's do arm circles with an ab curl. So bring your arms down by your side, and then as they circle around, flex up. Look between your legs. Come back down. Other way, arms come straight down by the hips. Circle the arms as you lower down. Bring the arms down. March the legs, bring one knee towards you and then the other. Let's do a chest press. Bring your arms up overhead. Lower the arms, press back up. Let's work the triceps. So turn your palms in towards each other. Bend your arms, hands come down by the face, straighten the arm up towards the ceiling. Great, bring your arms down, grab your dumbbells. We're gonna put our feet back onto the wall. And then hold a dumbbell in either hand. We're gonna do one arm at a time. So press up and come back down. The other arm can just rest on the ground. Let's begin. Bring the arm down. We'll rest for 15 seconds. Let's begin. So pressing with the other arm. If the arm that just worked is tired, you can place that dumbbell down. Place the dumbbells down. We'll move on to ab work. We're going to do those arm circles. So start with the arms reaching overhead. Circle the arms around as you flex up. We're gonna reach up, come back down, and then lower down as the arms circle. Let's begin. So flex up as the arms circle, up, down, circle around. Circle again. Up, down, circle around. So we're staying up for longer. Press your feet into the wall. That can help you feel like you can curl up more. Good, arms come down. Grab your dumbbells again. This time we're gonna press with both arms at the same time. Let's begin. So pressing up, coming towards each other, lower the arms back down. Place the dumbbells down. Reach the arms up overhead. You can turn your palms facing towards the wall. We're gonna flex up and then lower. 1, 2, and 3. Let's begin. So flex up and then lower. 1, 2, and 3. Keep going. Great, grab those dumbbells again. This time actually just grab one. We're gonna have it reaching overhead. We're gonna keep the arms straight. You're gonna lower back and then raise back up. Just go as low as is comfortable for you. Let's begin. So lower, arms are straight, and then bring it back up. Place the dumbbell down. Walk your feet up so that they're on a diagonal. Hands are going to support the head. Give the neck somewhat of a break here. We're going to bring everything up and lower down. Let's begin. So we crunch up in the upper body. Legs lift, but we keep that tailbone on the ground. If that straight leg's uncomfortable for you, you can keep your legs bent in more of a tabletop. Walk the legs back down so the knees are bent. Grab your dumbbell, both of them this time. We're gonna do a chest fly. Palms are facing in. We lower down with the arms rounded. So elbows are slightly bent, and then come back together. Let's begin. Be slow and controlled as you lower here. Bring the dumbbells down. We're gonna do a last arm exercise, and we're gonna do 2 ab exercises at the end. Grab those dumbbells again. Straight up overhead, palms facing in, lower slowly. Straighten back up. Let's begin. Great, bring it down. Let's sit up. We're gonna start by having your feet right up against the wall. Walk out. You can either be on your hands or on your forearms. I know a lot of people have issues with their wrists, so I'm gonna show it on my forearms today. Elbows are underneath the shoulders. Bring the hips down. We're gonna lift up. Knees come off. Lower down. We're just gonna alternate back and forth for 45 seconds. You can rest early if you need to. Let's begin. So lift and lower. Good, come back. Shake the arms out. Maybe we should have started with those. I feel like my arms are already tired. Okay, now a plank. I'm gonna have the timer on for 45 seconds. You can do whatever you like here. And maybe just try to keep track of how long you did so you can work up to doing longer. Same starting position. We're gonna lift up. And let's go. Knees come down. let's stretch. Let's start by just reaching the arms up overhead. Arch your back. You'll feel a stretch through the front here. You can either just hold or rock side to side, stretching the sides. Let's do a shell stretch, so bring the arms forward. You can open up the knees, feet are together, and then round the back. We'll hold. Come up. You're gonna thread your arm through, so bring the arm that's furthest away from you, reach up, and then bring it through and under, and we'll hold. You can rest your head on the mat. Come up. Other arm closest towards you, closest towards the TV or tablet or whatever you're using, and then thread through. Come up. Lastly, we'll do a tricep stretch. I feel like it's always easiest from the back to see what I'm doing here. So reach one arm up overhead, bend the arm, have the other arm come up, and then we'll hold. So you should be feeling it along the back of the arm. Other arm. Bring it up. All right, you're all set. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy this workout, and I will see you next time.